Guys,
what?
I found a link about Regina's past. It's on my phone right now. We have to watch it immediately.
First play, Daniel.
Okay, here we go. That's you, Regina. Is this on YouTube?
Does it say tennis family?
Tennis family.
I have a family.
And they play tennis.
Why are you running like that?
Some people run like that.
Wait, you used to be a YouTuber?
I just care about my family. Mom, Dad, are you there?
Leave a comment if you're there.
Mine too, if you're still watching.
That's not me, guys. That person has light hair.
That's totally you.
I have
like
dark
you.
hair.
It looks exactly like you.
Like you, Regina.
I've seen you wear those shorts before in the 24-hour underwater challenge with Daniel here.
You're right.
My name.
Yep.
Yeah.
Regina.
Yeah.
Who are these people? Are they my friends? What the heck? I don't remember any of this.
Okay, you guys, that is a huge clue about your past. You have a tennis family. Maybe we should go to the nearest tennis court. Maybe your family's there.
Maybe they're playing tennis right now.
Yeah. Okay, let's just go there.
Here's the tennis courts.
We're almost there.
Your parents are gonna be inside of that.
I hope so.
Hey, V, stop. You can't come in, V. Oh! Roasted. Just kidding.
Wolf.
Okay, where's my mom and dad?
I don't see
I have a
anybody here.
tennis family. Where are they? This is a tennis court.
This is the only tennis court around here. They've got to be showing up soon, I'm sure.
We need to find your tennis mom, tennis dad. I don't know, maybe brothers or sisters too.
Yeah, I'm supposed to be good at tennis too, right?
Show us how to play, because I don't know how to play.
Okay, ready?
Whoa! That was amazing! How'd you do that, Regina?
I don't know.
You're like a natural. Maybe you did have lots of training when you were younger and you just don't remember it. Okay, Regina, let's see if we can jog some of your memories. Here we go.
Okay. Did you just hit me, Chad?
No, you hit the ball. I threw it at you.
There's like two balls all of a sudden.
Right there.
My bad, Regina.
PC9? What are you doing here, PC9?
Why'd you hit me?
We were having such a great time at the abandoned Halloween fair until you left me for the Spy Losers.
Hey!
And then I knew after you guys stole that link from me that you'll be out here on the tennis courts trying to look for your family.
Pretty intuitive of you, PZ9.
It doesn't end there. Since we're playing this fantastic game of tennis, I decided to bring my tennis specialist, PZ300.
Actually, it's PG-30 Love.
30 love?
Love is a 0, 30 love. I see.
Just 300 for short. And together we're gonna wreck you guys.
You know what? Forget PZ9. Let's just leave.
Let's
I
get
don't
outta
trust
here.
him anyway.
Yeah, let's go.
No, wait. You guys want to learn more about Regina?
You don't know anything about Regina.
I was the one that told you about V's betrayal. Then I gave you notes about yourself, Daniel. Now I can tell you stuff about Regina. All we gotta do is just do a tennis battle, right, PZ300?
It's a gentleman's sport after all, isn't it?
Guys, I think we should just do the challenges. I want to learn more about my past.
He did have a lot of information about Daniel's past, so he probably has information about your past.
We can beat him anyways, right?
You're like a natural-born tennis player. I don't know about this PZ30 Love dude. He might be good.
Yeah, look at him. Oh my gosh.
I don't know. He looks like a poser to me. I think we can beat him.
You know what, PZ9? We accept your challenge.
Yes.
Then the challenge will be tennis dodgeball! Yeah!
First up is me and Regina to dodge some balls. Woo! Anything you want to say, Regina?
Maybe if I get hit by a ball, my memories will come back.
Don't get hit in the head with a ball. That's gonna hurt. You might even lose more memory cells than you already have.
We gotta win, Chad.
We gotta win to get your past.
The last time I challenged the Spy Ninjas, it was with PZ44 for some baseball challenges, and he sucks!
Not to worry, my friend. I've been playing tennis since I was a young boy. I think we have them right where we want them.
They're gonna be defenseless against this. Chad looks like a newborn giraffe.
I heard that.
Look at this racket. It's almost more flexible than Regina because it's not flexible. You get it? Easy enough. We hit them, they're out.
Ready, Regina? Bring it on, Hackett. Whoa! Watch out! Whoa! Oh!
This is so much fun.
Oh, God, your foot, Regina. There you go. Come on, guys. Go.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Dodge.
Whoa!
Good job, Regina, dodging that one.
Whoa!
Did you see that? Chad, are you okay, man?
Oh my gosh.
Regina, you jumped out of the way and it hit me. I thought you were gonna block it for me.
What?
Okay, I'm out.
I knew I chose the right hacker for the job.
It was a pretty big target to hit.
You hear that, Chad? You're fat.
Hey, you calling me fat?
No, I'm calling you tall.
Vertically fat.
Vertically fat? It's fine. It's cool.
It looks like Chad only lasted 23.5 seconds.
Well, it's your turn, PZ9.
See if you can beat that.
Gladly.
Who wants to try to hit the hackers?
Well, Regina, you're the best tennis player. You should go.
How do we know I'm the best? I haven't even seen you guys play it.
Well, I've never played before, so you're probably better than me.
And I'm barely taller than the net, so I can't play that well.
I guess I'll go. You guys decide now.
Why don't we spin a racket? This can either be a W or an M. If it lands on a W, I'll go for wild.
If it ends on M, I'll go, because I'm manly.
Only 99.9%.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Spin it to win it. It is a L.
Oh, that's me.
You, Daniel.
That's me. Hand it over.
Racket.
Let's do this, Regina. Recall all your tennis memories and whack them real good.
Doubt you're ever gonna hit me.
You're going down, boys. Go.
Hit him!
Hiya!
Excellent maneuvering.
Oh! Oh! You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, Daniel!
Good job.
Can you believe it?
This is very, very disappointing.
Got him right in the kneecap. He won't be able to fight anymore.
The time was...
I guess we'll never know the time.
Oh, you guys, it's 24 seconds.
They lasted 1 second longer than us! But wait, V and Daniel have not gone yet. As long as you last 25 seconds or more, you will be the winners.
Spy ninjas.
Spy?
The best spy ninjas.
The best spy ninjas? Yeah!
Maybe the worst at giving high fives or whatever you call that.
This one's gonna be a little tougher because V is just so tiny. It's gonna be hard to hit her.
Okay, V, 20 what?
25 seconds.
Well, I'm excellent at dodging things. Remember, I used to dodge those Nerf blasters all the
Yeah,
time.
you can jump super high.
Yeah, and you're also super tiny.
Yeah, so maybe you jump above all the tennis balls. I'll just dodge.
I think we make a great team.
We gotta work on like our high fives and all that stuff, but I think we can do this.
Actually, V, before we start, guys, I'm actually pretty nervous about this. I don't know if my reflexes are that good, so I'm gonna train them with the Spy Ninja Network. There's a tool on the Spy Ninja Network called Destroy the Virus, and I can use that to train my reflexes. But guys, did you know the Spy Ninja Network just got a huge update? There's so much new stuff on there now, like daily login rewards, so every day you log in, you can get a little prize. Let's click this one. Ooh, Pink Ninja. That's also a new thing in the Spy Ninja Network. There's badges now, so you can show off to all your friends. Like, look right here. I got a Robot Classic badge. That's the only badge I have so far because this update is brand new. So guys, after this video, there's a link in the description to download the Spy Ninja Network and keep playing it because with that, we can defeat Project Zorgo forever. And make sure you log in every day to get those daily rewards. Let's just play this game a little bit and get my reflexes ready. And bam! Oh, you know what? I got this. Let's do it, V.
Bring it, PZ9!
Bring it, PZ300! Oh! 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 Good job, B. Keep going. Oh! 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 Daniel! No!
Go with the top.
Oh! My leg? I'm out.
I don't know how long that was.
27 seconds!
The Spy Ninjas lasted the longest. They're the winners!
So tell me something about myself. What do you know?
Well, Regina calls her mommy every week, right? What a grown baby.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with that.
It's nice calling your mom every week.
It turns out that the lady that Regina thought was her mother is none other than an ordinary hacker.
What do you mean, PZ9?
Project Zorgo has been deceiving Regina the whole time by having a hacker pretend to be her mom.
How do we know you're telling the truth?
You don't.
Well, V, we did see at the Luxor. When I called who I thought was my mom, a hacker picked up. I just assumed maybe my mom was a hacker.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
So this is really good news. At least your mom is not a hacker.
But I've been telling all my secrets to some random hacker.
Oh!
Mother hacker, let's go to the next challenge. Our next challenge is gonna be Tennis Fruit Ninja! We're all gonna get something to smash with our rackets, and whoever has the dirtiest one after wins it all!
You first, buddy.
I think the banana will leave good residue.
Is that how you peel your bananas, PZ300?
Is this not how everybody peels a banana?
I mean, just like the gorillas do, they open it from this end. You just pinch it.
You're a fan of the musical group Gorillaz?
No, he just eats like an animal. That's why he knows.
Let's do this.
All right, let's see how this goes.
Tennis racket.
Oh no, it's pretty clean. They all work straight through.
That's one way to slice up your nanners.
PZ300, give me that racket.
There's not much on there.
I don't see anything.
I understand why they call you love. Nothing on the racket.
Because love means zero, I get it.
Guys, what does love even mean? Why do you guys keep saying that?
It means zero, Daniel.
In tennis.
I thought love meant like when you're a boy and you see a girl and she's pretty and you love her.
Let's move
Okay,
on.
back to the game.
Take your pick.
How about this? Nice and red. It's the Spy Ninja color. Black and red.
Oh! How much residue is on there?
It's just a little charge to get.
That counts, right?
V, it's supposed to be on the racket, not on you, V.
Oh, man.
Red jello, red racket. You can't even tell.
Okay, it's my turn, everybody. I'm gonna do banana because me and bananas, we go way back. If you remember that one time?
Yes, the dance.
Oh!
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ew, I don't want to see that flashback.
Too late.
They already saw it.
You also hit a banana, didn't you?
I did. I hit a banana with a spiked mace that one time. Yeah. Spiked mace tennis racket. What's the difference? Oh! Look! Look at that! That's amazing!
No, that's what I call a banana split.
I get that one.
Whoa, what you doing there,
Wait.
PZ9?
You already chose your item?
Yes, lettuce.
Is that cabbage?
A cabbage.
Are you a Cabbage Patch doll? Anybody remember that?
I'm way too young to know that reference.
Cabbage Patch? I only know Cabbage Smash. So let us get into it. If you wanted to know how to make coleslaw, give me a call.
This might even be more than your banana, Daniel.
I think it is. There's only one of us left. Okay, the only thing left that I think could possibly leave a lot of residue on my racket is a watermelon. Who wants to throw it?
What are you waiting for? I'll do it.
What are you waiting for? What? Oh! It landed in my shoe! Look at the racket! There's a lot of residue everywhere. Let's compare. I think the lettuce wins.
That means I win!
Yep.
Yes! What do I get when I win then?
We'll tell you a secret about yourself.
Because you know you lost your memory too, PZ9.
Yeah, but so?
I'll tell you a secret about yourself. You want to be a YouTuber so badly.
I did?
You even have a YouTube channel.
Wow.
You pretty much just want to be like us.
Losers!
I should be laughing at that. I'm sorry. It's just so funny that he doesn't remember how much he wants to be a YouTuber.
I guess it could make sense if I'm that charming and witty. Oh, disgusting!
I'll do you a little favor right now, and I'll shout out your YouTube channel right now.
What?
Just kidding, guys, just kidding. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, The Spy Ninjas. Take your phone, turn it right way. Underneath this video, there's a red button. Make sure to click it until it's gray.
Anyways, next challenge! The next challenge is gonna be to knock over this stack of cups. You have 5 chances to knock over as many of these cups as you can.
It looks easy.
They're not too far away. They're right there. Regina, you're the tennis expert. It's in there somewhere. Oh! Oh! 3 more chances. Oh no! This is the last.
Oh, Regina, not you. The ball.
Oh!
3 cups. 3 cups.
No, she wasn't supposed to hit them. I'm sorry, Cup.
Well, I'm just gonna go. How hard can it be? Look how close we are to it.
Mr. Confident over here.
PZ9, you suck.
All right, here we go.
Oh! Oh, yes!
It's close.
Oh!
You know, with all that power, when I hit it, it will just explode.
So much.
Oh!
Look, one flipped over and it's still standing. He only knocked down 2.
Oh!
Anger issues over here.
This is way more effective than a tennis racket.
Okay, Spy Ninjas, I actually have never played tennis before, so I don't really have good aim.
I believe in you. You got this.
Give this video a big thumbs up right now and give me good luck.
I think the net is taller than V.
I already made that joke on myself.
Is there a kid-sized tennis court?
V, I thought you said you couldn't hit it over the net. You hit it over the whole fence.
I have no idea my strength. Look at these muscles, they're very deceiving. Okay, try 2, guys.
Oh! V!
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
You hit PZ9.
Oh my gosh! I didn't mean to, PZ9. I just have really bad aim, sorry.
I'm just gonna stand over here.
I should get like 9 points for that.
He'll be safe over there.
Okay, guys, number 3. Okay.
Knock him down.
Oh! B! How'd you hit him? There's no safe place to stand when B's playing tennis.
I'm sorry.
You just want a battle royale already, don't you, B? I'm just gonna hide. I'm just gonna get out of here. You gotta try getting me here, B.
Okay, guys, fourth ball.
Stop!
Hey, what?
Keep it down.
Oh! B,
Oh my God!
What the heck?
I don't know.
How are you doing that?
Wow. He's scared now.
I'm not aiming at him. I'm sorry. I'm not a tennis expert like Regina.
Give us a clue about Regina. That should count.
What? Well, she only has one ball left, and if I just leave the court, there's no way it's gonna hit me.
Where are you going?
He's leaving the whole court. He's so scared of V.
All the PZ members should be afraid of me.
This is your last ball. Just aim straight, okay? Hit the racket.
Yeah, like that. Okay. All right. I can do this.
It's over here. Easy done.
There's no way that you guys just hit me from inside the court.
V, you have the greatest aim I've ever seen.
I didn't hit the cups, but I hit PZ9. That's pretty awesome, I thought.
You're lucky we're only doing tennis challenges. You're cursed or something. You should put down the racket.
Cursed or super talented, maybe.
How many points did she score? 0? But how many scars did I gain? 5.
She scored love, okay? That's something that's kind of cool.
Jokes aside, I brought the right PZ member for the job. Tell him why.
I've trained my whole life for this. I've trained all across the world playing tennis. Everywhere I go, all the hacker academies. I've got my string set up perfectly. I've got my dampener in. I've got my overgrip. It's time to go.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Some power! Yes!
Oh! Okay, this is the one.
Oh!
Whoa!
I'm gonna go a little further back just to give you guys a chance.
Whoa!
This is the last ball.
Oh! Left one standing, 30 love!
Why have you done this to me? You were supposed to fall like your friends.
Does this mean there's a chance for the Spy Ninjas to win? One of us can hit all 4 down.
Yes.
All right, Daniel, let me show you how it's done. I'll even do it left-handed. That's how confident I am. Oh! First ball!
Chad, you broke it in half!
Talk about the muscles. As long as I can hit one more down, Spy Ninjas win.
Go for it, Chad.
Hey!
Oh!
PZ9's a cheater!
It's not a full challenge if I don't try to cheat at least one.
Oh, too high. 3 more balls left. Ah, I keep bouncing over the top. Here we go, here we go. Oh! So we did it in 4 balls. What took the hackers 5 balls? PZ9, give us a clue about Regina's past.
Long before Regina was a part of Project Zorgo.
Whoa, what's
That was
that?
a video.
Video.
Oh no.
Yes. Regina.
What the heck?
What is this?
Wait, is this on YouTube?
Yes.
Is this mukbang?
She's a mukbang person?
Yes. You guys are all on YouTube. Y'all are losers.
Hey.
Oh, you're on YouTube!
Right now.
And you have your own channel too!
Come on, 30 love. Let's get out of here.
We're just gonna let him leave like that?
This fell out of PZ9's pocket. Let's see what's on it.
What is it?
Look, it says Regina's parents.
I have parents! Oh my gosh, we gotta figure this out right now, you guys! Make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, to Daniel and Regina.
We're gonna open up this note over on my channel. Make sure you're subscribed to me right down here. That next video is gonna be right up here.
Thank you to all you guys who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here. All right, let's kick bop out, you guys.
All right.
Kick
Kick
bop!
bop!